Hi everyone, welcome back to Shalu Verma classes. Today we're diving into the world of Excel data management. Imagine you're at work and need to organize a large dataset quickly. Fill in missing data like email addresses or link data across different sheets and workbooks. Sounds overwhelming? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's begin. First, let's talk about filters. Filters help you focus on specific data without altering the original dataset. For example, here's a table with names like Shalu, Verma, Shalini, and Sunderpool. Go to the Data tab and click Filter. You'll see drop-downs appear in the header row. Let's say we want to see only entries where the city is Delhi. Just click the drop-down, uncheck Select All, and choose Delhi. For advanced filters, go to Data Advanced. Here, you can set criteria like showing only rows where the sales column is greater than 1,000. This is perfect for creating custom reports. Next is Flash Fill, a hidden gem for automating repetitive tasks. Let's say you have names like Shalu Verma, and you need to create email IDs like shalu.verma@gmail.com. Type the first email in the adjacent column. For example, type shalu.verma@gmail.com next to the first name. Excel is smart. It will predict the pattern. Hit Ctrl+E, and voila! All emails are auto-filled instantly. This works for splitting data too. If you have Shalu Verma in one column and want Shalu and Verma in separate columns, type Shalu in one column and Verma in another, then press Ctrl+E for Flash Fill magic. Finally, let's talk about linking data. Imagine you have sales data in one sheet and need to reference it in another. In Sheet 2, type equals and click the cell you want to link from Sheet 1. Press Enter, and the data will dynamically update whenever the source cell changes. Now, if you're working across workbooks, you can use the same steps as mentioned. Press equal to sign, but this time instead of another sheet, we will go to Sales File and select the range and press Enter, and it is done. If you make any changes in the master file data, it will update in new workbook. This pulls the data from the specified range in the external file. Perfect for consolidating reports or tracking multi-department data. And that's it for today's video. We covered filters, flash fill, and data linking to supercharge your data management skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes for more practical Excel tips. See you in the next one.